In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft OneNote as PDF. Whether you're on the desktop app or using OneNote in your browser, I'll walk you through the clearest methods so you can share or print your notes with confidence. Let's start with the desktop app on Windows or Mac, the version that includes the export feature. First, open OneNote and navigate to the specific page or the entire section you want to save. Then go to the File menu at the top and choose Export. You'll see a panel labeled Export Current. Here, decide exactly what you want to export. Page for just the note you're on, section for all the pages grouped together, and in some versions, you may see Notebook if full notebook export is supported. Next, set the file type to PDF. .PDF. When you're ready, click Export. Choose where you want to store the file, type a clear name, and click Save. This creates a static PDF snapshot of your notes, which is great for sharing with people who don't use OneNote or for archiving a final version. Keep in mind, static means it won't update if you later change your notes. If you need everything in a section at once, choosing Section is a time saver. If Notebook isn't available in your version, exporting section by section is the reliable workaround. For easier organization, consider including the date or project name in the file name and saving to a folder you can quickly find later. Now, if you're on OneNote for the web, there isn't a direct export button, but there's a simple workaround using Print to PDF. Open the page you want to save in your browser. Go to File, then Print. In the printer options, choose Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows or Save as PDF on a Mac. Adjust any settings you need. Orientation, margins, or scale can help fit wide pages or dense content, and then click Print or Save. Pick your location, name the file, and save it. Just a quick note about the web version. It typically exports only the current page, not entire sections or notebooks. If you need multiple pages, you'll repeat the process for each page. It's a good idea to glance at the print preview before saving to ensure page breaks, images, and formatting look the way you expect. Hyperlinks usually remain clickable in the PDF, while embedded media like audio won't carry over, which is normal for PDF output. That's it. Choose the desktop export when you need full control, and use Print to PDF on the web for quick single-page saves. Try a small test export first to confirm the layout, then save your final version.